Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add security questions to your Bottleneck account. So all you have to do is just simply hover over your profile on the upper right hand side and go to account settings. Now from here, guys, on the left hand side, you want to click on the security section and scroll down to where you'll find a section called security question. You can simply go ahead and click and select a security question, then click the drop down, select a security question. For example, what was the first car you owned? And then you can answer whatever. So maybe I want to say BMW, BMW X5, right? So you can say that's probably, I can just write, for example, that. Then click and save. And as you can see, it is there. Now, at any point in time, guys, you want to go ahead and change these security questions or remove them, you can simply go ahead and click the drop down and click on where it says what was the first car you own, and you can change the answer for this. So let's say I want to say buggy, for example, or buggy. I can change that to a buggy and click and save. And as you can see, the security question is updated. Now that's it. So at any point in time you want to change this, you can always go ahead and make changes here if you so desire, right? And that's how you basically add security questions on your Battle.net account.